Welcome, everyone. Whether you're a new gardener or an experienced farmer looking to expand, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of cash crops. Remember, before you sow any seed, you must have knowledge about it. So let's build that knowledge together and explore how cash crops can be profitable in the UK. Ready to get started? First up, what exactly are cash crops? These are the crops grown primarily for selling to earn a profit, unlike subsistence crops that are grown for personal use by the farmer. This could be anything from grains like corn to fibers like cotton. They're crucial for the economy because they help farmers make a living. Let's pause and think for a moment. What makes cash crops different from subsistence crops? The key difference is their purpose. Cash crops are for sale, and subsistence crops are for eating. It's important to understand this as it affects how and what you decide to plant. In the UK, cash crops vary widely. We have food crops like corn that feed people, fiber crops like cotton that go into making clothes, and oil crops like olives that are used in cooking and other products. Each type has specific market demands and growing requirements. Focusing on fruits and vegetables, we see some great options for cash crops right here in the UK. Strawberries, for example, are planted in March and harvested in early summer. Apples are planted in November and harvested in late summer. Vegetables like lettuce and onion also have their specific planting and harvesting times, which are key for getting the best yield and market price. Quick quiz to keep you on your toes. Between lettuce and onions, which is harvested first in the UK? If you guess lettuce, you're absolutely right. It's ready by May. Timing is everything in farming. For example, strawberries need to be planted in March and are ready by June or July. Lettuce starts in February, and you can harvest it as soon as May. Knowing these schedules helps you plan your garden or farm for maximum efficiency and profit. Growing conditions matter too. Strawberries need a mild, cool spring to thrive, while lettuce prefers cooler temperatures. Matching your crops to the local climate is essential for good growth and excellent harvests. Some crops grow faster than others, providing quick returns. Radishes and spinach, for instance, are ready to harvest in about 2 months. These fast-growing crops are perfect for new gardeners who are eager to see results quickly. Why choose cash crops? They typically offer higher market value and consistent demand, which means they can be more profitable. This makes them an attractive option for farmers looking to maximize their income. Think about the economic benefits of growing cash crops. They can open up new markets, giving you a chance to increase your earnings significantly. What do you think could be a key economic benefit for you? After harvest, there's more you can do. Olives can be turned into olive oil and cotton can be spun into cloth. Processing these crops adds value, making them even more profitable. Thanks for joining today. I hope this presentation has given you a solid understanding of cash crops and inspired you to consider what you might grow next season. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Newbie Food Gardener on YouTube for more gardening tips. What's one fast-growing cash crop you're excited to try? Happy gardening and see you next time!